Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Robin, and today this is the final look that I'm going to demonstrate and teach you how to create. I use several Bobbi Brown products. As some of you may know that I'm actually a huge fan of Miss Bobbi Brown. I like her as a makeup artist and her artistry is remarkable. So since I am a Bobbi Brown lover, I purchased two different eyeshadows from Bobbi Brown and wanted to review these items. I've got these two eyeshadow. One is Bone and the other is Cement. They both are from Bobbi Brown. It's at $42 in Singapore. The products are here, and these two eyeshadow has a very simple and modern Bobbi Brown packaging. So let's see how they perform on my eyelid, and let's begin. After you open them from the box, you'll be able to see this beautiful eyeshadow here laying on the pan. Bobbi Brown eyeshadows are detachable, so you can take out from the pan and you can insert your own custom palette. And I believe that Bobbi Brown eyeshadow has actually slightly larger size than other brands, including NARS. Net weight is 2.5, so I think it should be about the same or a little bit larger. Anyway, the colors I purchased is Cement and Bone, and these colors are quite classic colors, I believe. It's more of a vanilla, very light yellowy. It's almost white, but it's a little bit yellowy white, and I'm going to use this color as a base shade. And then this Cement color is really beautiful, cool grayish brown. First of all, let me start with a powder because I haven't powdered my eyelid yet. This is a Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. It's one of my favorite powder that you've probably seen many times on my video. And I'm going to use this powder to just lightly set a concealer that is laying on my eyelid. Now eyelid is more smooth and even. This process is really important because if you don't even out your eyelid with a powder, your eyeshadow will go unevenly. It's going to be very patchy. Just an even surface is a base process. And then I'm going to start with Cement color. Let me swatch this eyeshadow. Feels really smooth. It's very light gray brown, almost gray taupe, I would say. It's very cool color. It's really nice color that I actually expected. But the reason why I picked this Cement color is because it's quite unique shade, and this is one of the original shade that Mrs. Bobbi Brown used on her 10-step beauty tutorial. Let's see how this color looks like. I am going to use this MAC 239 brush, but I think this eyeshadow powder is really light. I think it has a little bit of fallout. I like this kind of formula. It's very dry formula. Some eyeshadows are kind of creamy, but this is really dry and classic eyeshadow, so you can really blend it easily. And Mrs. Bobbi Brown said her technique is not blending but layering, so I'm just gonna keep layering it. Layering means you apply one layer, two layer, three layer, and four layer. Just keep layering it. As you can see, I applied one layer here, and this is 3 layers. You can really see the difference. The difference is intensity. I can see more depth and dimension and more colors on this eyelid, definitely. Then you may wonder how to layer the eyeshadow. It's easy. Just don't rub it into your skin. It's just dab it and press it. And then I'm gonna blend just on the edges because I like it to be more clean, nice, and beautifully blended. It is so easy to blend. But I also got this Bone shade here. I purchased it because I want to utilize this kind of eyeshadow color to further blend my eyeshadow. And this is TMI. It's actually Mrs. Bobbi Brown who founded Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. She left Bobbi Brown from Estee Lauder, so now she actually founded her own cosmetic line. It's not available in Singapore yet, but once it's available, then definitely I'm gonna try out her new product line. The name is Jones Road, and the naming of the product is so Bobbi Brown. The mascara, the pencil, and the sparkles. She likes to use this word sparkles instead of using glitter or shimmer. She likes to use a word sparkle. So now you can see I have a little bit of depth and dimension on my eyelid, but it's not perfectly defined. It's rather look very natural. It's more on the natural side. I actually kind of like this look. It's very cool, and if I add a little bit of charcoal or black color eyeshadow, then you'll definitely see Asian American kind of makeup look. Nice, I like this color, and it looks like very chic modern New Yorker. Okay, let's define it. An eyeliner, Since I'm doing Bobbi Brown eyeshadow review, maybe I'm gonna use Bobbi Brown Long Wear Gel Eyeliner in Caviar ink. Her eyeliner formula is known for long wearing, intense color payoff. Anyway, I'm going to use this eyeliner brush from Bobbi Brown. Maybe I can go a little bit upwards. I can just draw it along my lash line. Now it looks more defined, and I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. And I feel eyeliners aren't so sharp. I'm just gonna use a concealer to clean out the line. And then I'm gonna apply the rest of the color makeup. Let me start with a powder blush first. I'm going to maybe use this kind of rosy color with a round tapered brush. The place where I'm applying blush is apples of my cheek. You can find the apples of your cheek when you smile. The most fatty area is the apples of your cheek. And I'm just gonna keep it concentrated, so it just looks like somebody pinched my cheeks naturally, flushed. Mrs. Bobbi Brown, she also used pop shade and a natural shade. So I'm gonna use a second color, this peachy color, peach nude, on the edges of my current blush. Kind of further blend my blush and diffuse those edges perfectly. Okay, for the lipstick, let me try of using this Crush lip color from Bobbi Brown, shade in Cocoa. Actually, I reviewed this lipstick color and I didn't really like the color, but I think I can make it better this time. Okay, so let's see how it changes. But the smell is really weird. It's very plasticky smell. And then I'm gonna use a lip liner. Since this nude lipstick is really kind of dull, to be honest. This is a rosy pink color lip liner, just to make this look doesn't so dull. When you apply a lip liner, you want to start from the cupid's bow, because if you know where the center of your lip, you can actually get the perfect and symmetrical lip without investing too much time. Then use your pinky finger as some kind of support. Then just also, when you do your lower lip line, you can actually smile a bit. Then you'll be able to see your entire lower lip line. Not bad. Then next, I'll be doing my eyebrows. For my brows, as usual, I'm gonna use a brow pencil to sculpt. These days, I really like those thick and bushy eyebrow. Everybody wants to have those kind of thick and fuller looking eyebrows. So this is a secret. You can sculpt your eyebrows with your eyebrow pencils first, define them. You're not gonna kind of draw them, you're just gonna lightly shape your eyebrows. And next, I want to apply an eyeshadow or eyebrow powder. I'm going to utilize one of this color here from my custom palette. Just a medium brown will do. And by using the powder, eyeshadow or eyebrow powder, you're kind of filling in the gaps. So your eyebrow appears to be more natural, more surreal, instead of looking like just two squiggles on your brows. And as you can see, I'm actually going with a very light hand. I'm just gonna lightly warm up my face by using a NARS bronzing powder. This process is not to define my face, but just warm up my face. So it goes over your forehead, over your nose, over your cheeks, you know, just to get the warmth back to you after the foundation. And if you see, I'm just pushing it into my skin so I can really warm up my face. Looks not pale, not so sick, but looks healthy. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you really liked it, then don't forget to hit subscribe button, comments and thumbs up. I'll see you soon with a new tutorial. Bye!